Look at the final result. A freshly made coconut milk. It's silky and the aroma is unbelievable. I wish you are here to smell what I smell. Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. Healthy is true wealth. In this video, I want to show you how to make coconut cream. The reason I make coconut cream instead of buying from the store, there are numerous benefits. First, it only needs one ingredient to make, and it's easy and quick. Second, there are no preservative or additive. Third, it's delicious, sweet, and creamy. The one ingredient I use to make the cream is the organic shredded coconut. Let me show you how to make it. The ratio for this recipe is 2:1. 2 cups of water per 1 cup of coconut. I already add 2 cups of coconut in this container. And I'm going to add 4 cups of hot water that I preheated earlier. The water doesn't have to be boiled, but just make sure that it's hot enough for the coconut to blend. I am covering up. Make sure it's securely tight. I would suggest you to cover up the lid, because when it's blending on a high speed, the coconut or water will, spill out. Now that the coconut is completely blended, I am going to pour it in a strainer. Then use the ladle to press it down to extract the cream. You can use the cheesecloth instead of the strainer. But because the water is too hot to handle, I am using the strainer instead of the cheesecloth. Once there's no more cream dripping, then I will set this aside using this bowl, as I mentioned earlier. Continue the same process. I'm going to use this coconut cream for my cacao beverage that I consume every morning. Also, I can use this cream to make dessert. I will make a separate video using this coconut cream to make banana dessert. There you have it. Coconut cream, freshly made. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.